everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Andrew. If this is your first time here, don't forget to click the subscribe button below para every time na mag-upload ako ng bagong videos ko, updated kayo. For today's video guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Tabuelan. Kanina pa kami dumating dito, like around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Umalis kami like 10 AM in the morning from Liloan. Nag-rest pa kami. Pagdating namin dito kanina sa may Maravilla entrance, dumiretso kami agad doon sa sinistayhan namin sa Hayahay Resort. We're gonna stay there for a night. Mag-overnight kami ngayon. Yung mga kasama namin ngayon guys ay sina. Say hello! Nandito pala si Joy. Hi Joy!
Yes! Hello! Welcome back!
Welcome back!
I'm back!
Again!
Welcome back to you, Joy!
Yes! I'm back! I'm beautiful!
Wala man si Chan Chan.
Wala
The true story is back.
Wow!
Okay, the truth.
Walang ako eksena.
Maring kompetensya.
Oo, shout out ni Chan Chan.
Langoy ka, papunta
Diyan ka lang. Naka-fiesta, tapos next week maki-birthday, tapos next week
Mag-wedding.
christening.
Sana all. Sean, you need your presence.
Siya man ang tigkanta.
Nandito kami ngayon siya sa favorite place mo.
Yes! You're
Your turn.
local.
Your turn. The north side of Cebu, Tabuelan.
Yes. Every month mo nung booking niya diri, di ba? Every hour, every minute, every... Gi-approach, gamit Chan, asa daw ka? Sa Tagalocal. Asa daw ka, Chan? Ang gano'n na busy ka. Grabe ka. Lahira dyan, oy. Hala, 555. May meaning na. May mabubuntis.
Paano ka mabubuntis kung wala kang boyfriend?
Personal, Drew, delete mo yung mukha namin.
Bakit ganyan ka? Hindi mo lang alam.
Di ba si Joy may
Oo.
Imagine.
Imagination.
Grabe sa imaginary ha. Wala saan ko naabot sa level ni Chan Chan ako.
Wala.
Chan, is it true? Comment na below. Dilulo ka?
Wala Chan, diligid ako. Nag-storya na Chan na.
Tanong yung pamilya ni Chan Chan ba? Chan!
You said. What are we going to do
We'll wait
today?
for the water to come up to us. Ay, mag-hi tayo.
Yan yung hinahanap nila kanina, yung starfish.
Are they alive?
Yes.
Sumukoy.
Ilagay mo muna sila sa tubig.
You only save one starfish, Drew.
Oh. Kaya nagkakaraoke na sila, nagpa-party na yung mga tao. Ang hanapin natin ngayon dito sa Tabuelan.
Wow!
So currently guys, it's sunset time. The beach is super clean and I think the water is actually coming in. So yan, mag-high tide na. I think later mag-swimming kami pag malalim na yung tubig. And time check, it's already 6 PM in the afternoon.
Yan, totoo guys.
Yung mga deniers.
May nga to, Jay, ulan na siya? Oo.
Oh my
Punta
god.
dito. That's why walang sunset.
Dito si Judith, naghabol.
Hindi kami guest.
Fresh
Kami ang
from...
may-ari ng...
Kami ang may-ari sa resort na to. Anong
Sorry, ito yung... ito yung domain ni Christian Malate, don't you know?
Sino ba yan?
Siya yung reyna dito.
Hindi namin siya kilala.
Ano yung mga...
Wala siya, naging aso.
Si Judith guys, she's fresh from San Remigio.
fresh.
Remigio.
Remigio?
Remigio. Alam mo na.
Joe?
Remigio. Kamusta naman yung outing mo doon? How was your day?
Okay.
Were you able to swim at the beach?
No.
A little.
Because the beach is not beaching.
Oh my god.
The beach is just like this.
Oo. Low tide. Low tide din. Okay, good. Ang malas mo naman, Judith.
Low tide.
Where are we going?
Hindi ko alam kung saan yung makakainan dito at pinagod
doon
kami.
kanina.
Anong
sa
doon?
may
Kainan na
entrance.
naman.
Pero pwede tayo duman dito. Maghanap muna tayo ng parang chicken something.
Gusto ko ng ano, sabaw na isda.
Magtanong muna tayo doon.
ng makakainan.
Ito po pala yung Hayahay Resort. This is their front beach. We're going inside. Ito po pala yung cottages nila dito. And this is our room. And yung CR nila dyan. Are you ready to party?
Noon ako sa clubbing era. Mag-clubber dance, surgal. Ala, uy, kay excited sa nag-club.
Kay family kon man sa Boracay.
Lagi. Dili man to ko ay.
Dili ka kabiga.
Demure lang man.
Ito pa yung mga cottages nila. And that is their rooms. And dito po kayo mag-check-in sa Hayahay. So before you check in, guys, you can ask somebody from the front desk, and I think magbayad na din kayo as soon as you check in to your rooms. So this is their sign here. So Hayahay Maravilla Beach Resort. And ito po yung entrance ng resort and also access to the beach. And dito po banda yung entrance din sa may receptionist area nila. Meron din silang mga kape, shampoo. Ayan, dito kayo mag-check-in. Please pay as you check-in. At dito sa harap, guys, meron silang grilling station. And some rooms. And I think pwede din kayo dito mag-park kapag may dala kayong car. This is the whole resort. I'll see you in a bit, guys, while Jomar is still getting the money. After this, pupunta kami ngayon sa labas at maghanap kung saan kami magdi-dinner. See you in a bit, guys!
Mag-imitate ako na.
Actually walk a couple of minutes from Maravilla Beach. I think we walk like more or less 7 minutes. So from Maravilla Beach to Buswang Dos Seafood. So let's go inside of the restaurant. Actually, guys, kanina pa kami nandito. We actually ordered the food already at dumating na yung food namin. Joy is currently doing some documentation.
Yes.
Gutom na ba?
Yes, let's eat.
So how long did you wait for the food?
1 hour. Pero naka-topic.
Hinintay mo sila
Cover na nato ang final destination.
By the way, guys, this is the food that we ordered. Meron kaming rice. This is the fish fillet. And this is the calamares, and yung humba, and the chop suey.
Akala ko dalawa.
At meron kami sabaw na isda. I think this is sinigang. This is our food for tonight. By the way guys, this is the cashier area. And this is their dining area. At dito pa na guys, dito po yung CR nila and the washing area. And this is the whole restaurant. Dumating na yung drinks namin. So we have iced tea for tonight. Kumakain na sila. Babalik lang kami guys. I'm going to give you a review later pagkatapos namin kumain kasi nagsistart pa lang kami. See you in a bit. Kain muna tayo. Let's eat.
Yung lakad okay lang. Naka over 10k steps ako today. So it's a goal.
Kamusta naman yung pagkain doon sa Buswang Dos?
Hindi okay. Not okay.
1 to 5 is the highest.
1.
Oh my god.
Just for the sake of the good service lang. Pero the food and the place, oh, it's not okay. I'm not okay with the food. I'm not okay with the place.
Ano yung kailangan na i-improve nila, Joy?
All. Kasi yung place, maalog-alog.
Oh, no.
It's not perfect to take time lapse. It's not hot. Parang murag gipastay lang sa ilaang sa kitchen ang food tapos giserve lang whenever they want. Okay naman sila. Tapos pinicturean kami. So far naman kasi whenever we ask man, so go lang man sila. Pero yun lang. One, yes.
Okay. So they need to improve the food na lang.
Yes, very.
Yung rating namin guys, on behalf ni Judith is, on behalf, kunwari correct. Yung rating ko, ay rating ko din. Ikaw number na lang. Number. Lowest to highest.
1 to 5.
Lowest to highest. Ano sa'yo doon? From lowest to highest, 2.5. Bakit yung point? Ba't may 0.5? Sige, 2. Okay, ayun na talaga ma-explain guys. So, ako yung rating ko is 3. Siguro next time, i-make sure na kung ganun tayo katagal nag-antay, sana kahit yung temperature lang, kahit yung temperature lang ng pagkain, kasi talaga namang matagal tayo nag-antay, di ba guys? Say yes. Yes. Okay.
Ang ine-expect namin is yung parang umuusok ng pagkain.
Kasi nag-crave talaga tayo ng sabaw for today's video, and then yun ang na-serve. Siguro kung bigyan natin ng ano yun? Anong tawag dun sa doubt? Second doubt? Benefit of the doubt. So, bigyan natin ng benefit of the doubt. Baka nakalimutan i-serve, every kayo, or talagang...
I don't think they forgot it because we actually ordered it.
Yung na-assume namin is parang nandun lang siya sa kitchen, no? Parang andun lang sila. Sana sinerve na yung pagka ready na agad. Sinerve na sana agad.
Ako kay 1.5.
Bakit siya number 5?
Ay masarap siya pero hindi mainit lahat. Parang atik-atik lang sila
diba?
Parang atik-atik lang silang mag-take ng time
siguro,
ba
parang frozen food
hindi
na
naman nila
ininit.
niluto. Kung niluto yun, Mainit pa talaga yun kahit nag-antay pa yun. Pero parang parang atik-atik lang nilang i-take time kay
Na maluto.
feeling ako para sabihin na niluto. Tapos yung lalagyan ng ice na may taya pa yung
Yun ang kamugay.
may rust. Oh, may rust. Tapos
rust.
madumi talaga yung
Safety.
labas at saka yung baso madumi. Pero yung lasa ng food masarap naman pero hindi mainit.
Yun na pa yung review namin sa
Buswangdo.
most probably 15 minutes acceptable pa kapag more than 15 minutes or 30 minutes na I think sobrang bagal na talaga yun guys. So hope you're gonna enjoy it in the future kung babalik kami.
Bakit lima
Thank you so
talaga?
much for serving us. We really love the food but hindi na siya mainit at hindi talaga masyadong malamig yung drinks. For the
Aesthetic
meantime
daw ang
guys,
place
we're
kayo. Tulong kasi
currently
ya.
at Tayahay Resort
Katong namin
And
siya.
we're currently
Saka, katuloy mga
drinking
bigas na
some
na-comment pa.
tequila.
Gipicture na eh.
Ayan. We're actually in front of the store. At si Joy, she's taking a picture.
Coca?
And Jomar is...
Gamay.
What you doing?
Oh, red
Coke?
cup.
Ay, wow.
Coke?
Yeah,
Parang ano
pwede.
tayo dun. Nasa US
Hindi.
tayo dun.
We'll see you in a bit. And for the meantime, we'll just chillax the whole night through. And later, I think, mag-swimming na kami. See you later or see you tomorrow.